So I was helping a friend clean out their basement and found this table in there. They were going to toss it. I said, let me take it. I think I can do something with it. Now, I'm not a woodworker, but I'm going to go ahead and try and sand it down. Looks like somebody already put a little putty or something in right there. I can't figure out how to get the top off. I'm not going to worry about it. The legs come off and I got to take them off. As you can see, something happened there at the edge. Some cobwebs. But see if I can bring this thing back to its original glory. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're sanded. I know it's hard to believe, but I'm not a woodworking expert, but we're going to see how this all turns out. I got some, I don't know what kind of stain I got. I think it was walnut or something. I don't know. But my plan is to just stain till it looks good. Anyway, let me get to that. I'm going to wipe some of this dust off of it and start staining. Okay, as you saw in the previously, I figured out how to take it apart. Got some stain on it. I got a little carried away with the stain, but I think it looks good. Next step will be to put it all back together, and definitely going to be better than it was. That was the whole goal. But anyway, let me get it all back together and we'll finish this project up. Alright, there it is, put back together. Looks good. And no, I didn't fix that. Figured it adds a little character to it, but hope you enjoy the video. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Oh, hang on. There's the stain I used. Dark walnut. I just sanded it and stained it. I put the stain on a little too heavy, but I'll know next time. So again, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.